What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. We are in heaven today. And no, we are not dead. We are at Castle Garden. And they fixed it up with all this gravity. Looks so cool. Everything is way much better now. Today we have Finn, Dutch Archie. With Niels. We have Al Bison, aka Jelle. And we have Monsieur Daniel. Hello. 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 And myself. We are going to have some fun at this beautiful spot. Let's go. Steady. Oh, twee uit de hand. Twee uit. Oh, dat was eng. Zag je armpjes? Ja, ja. Ik dacht dat ik over zou shooten, maar dat is helemaal niet zo. Let's go boys, they get it. Such a beauty of a stick! Oh la la! Felt so nice. Cool.
That's not good enough!
Oh, dat was echt lelijk. Clip on the phone is also very sick. Now it's time for Jelle's run. Where are you going? Mr. Buckethead. Oh. He's going down first and then you will see the line. Hoppa, one bang. Oh. Whoa. Quite happy with those pliers. Finally sticked it. The last time I did this I couldn't stick it and I couldn't put 2 feet up on the wall. So I needed to speed step it. But now, because of squatting, doing fitness, getting my body stronger, I'm doing this like easy, and this is such a good feeling. Getting better, feeling strong. We're also going traveling, I am going traveling for a month. Starting from the 31st of July, we are going to Portugal, to Lisbon, together with Jelle, Niels, Jordan, Wouter from Friesland, his girlfriend, and the Webster King is going to Portugal as well. So yeah, feeling strong, quite happy. Let's go. Very nice. Finally got a line done at this parkour park here in Eindhoven, but I don't know what it is today because I'm so tired. Normally I can come up with lines quite easily, but today it wasn't working that well, but that's why I'm so happy with this line. Let's go see if we can find some more. Okay guys, I will stop the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and put on the bell. Keep training, keep jumping, enjoy your day. See you next Friday.